Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to troubleshoot Monday.com pulses. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage and track their work in a customizable and collaborative way. Pulses are the building blocks of Monday.com boards, representing individual items or tasks. Troubleshooting pulses is essential to ensure that your boards are working correctly and providing accurate information. To start troubleshooting pulses, first identify the issue you are experiencing. Is the pulse not updating? Or is it not displaying the correct information? Once you have identified the issue, check the pulse's dependencies. Dependencies are the relationships between pulses, such as which pulse is the parent or child of another. Make sure that the dependencies are set up correctly and that there are no circular dependencies. Next, check the pulse's formulas and automations. Formulas are used to calculate values based on other pulses, and automations are used to perform actions when certain conditions are met. Make sure that the formulas and automations are set up correctly and that they are not causing the issue. Another common cause of pulse issues is incorrect or missing data. Check that all required fields are filled in and that the data is accurate. You can also use the pulse's history to see if there have been any changes made to the pulse that could be causing the issue. If you are still having trouble, try duplicating the pulse to see if the issue persists. This can help you determine if the issue is with the pulse itself or with the board or workflow. You can also try resetting the pulse to its default state to see if that resolves the issue. In addition to these steps, there are several best practices you can follow to prevent pulse issues. First, make sure to regularly review and update your boards and pulses to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. Second, use clear and descriptive names for your pulses and boards to make it easier to identify and troubleshoot issues. Finally, use Monday.com's built-in reporting and analytics tools to monitor your boards and pulses and identify any potential issues before they become major problems. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Monday.com pulses and ensure that your boards are working correctly and providing accurate information. Remember to always review and update your boards and pulses regularly. Use clear and descriptive names. And use Monday.com's reporting and analytics tools to monitor your boards and pulses.